Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare zinc alloy versus stainless steel. We will explore the fundamental characteristics of each material, helping you understand their unique advantages and disadvantages. By the end, you will have a clearer picture of which material might be the ideal choice for various applications, considering factors like durability, appearance, and overall value. Let's dive into the details of these two popular metals. Zinc alloys are known for their excellent castability, making them ideal for creating complex shapes with high dimensional accuracy. They are typically more affordable than stainless steel, offering a cost-effective solution for many projects. While providing moderate strength and good impact resistance, zinc alloys also possess decent corrosion resistance, particularly in less extreme environments. Their composition often includes elements like aluminum and copper to enhance these properties. Stainless steel is renowned for its exceptional strength and durability, making it a top choice for demanding applications. Its key feature is superior corrosion resistance, thanks to a protective chromium oxide layer that forms on its surface. This makes it highly resistant to rust and ideal for environments exposed to moisture or harsh chemicals. While typically more expensive than zinc alloy, its longevity and low maintenance often justify the initial investment. When deciding between zinc alloy and stainless steel, consider your project's specific needs. If budget is a primary concern and your application requires intricate shapes with moderate durability, zinc alloy is an excellent choice. However, for applications demanding superior strength, exceptional corrosion resistance, and long-term reliability, especially in harsh conditions, stainless steel is the preferred material. Evaluate the environment, required lifespan, and aesthetic preferences to make an informed decision.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.